Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to do something with this thing that I haven't seen a whole lot of videos on, and that is removing the deck so you can, sharpen the blades or change the blades or whatever you need to do with it. So we're going to do that now. Now, obviously, one of the first things you want to do is make sure that the PTO is down and the key is removed and stored. What I do, I just store it in the side pocket right there so I don't lose it. Then you just want to make sure that your parking brake is securely pushed down and in the park position. Remove your safety block and lower the deck down as low as it can possibly go. Now for the fun part. We have to unhook those two cables, one to each of the motors, and you have to disengage all the hitch pins. And there are 3 of them. Interesting, this seems to be a different type of pin. Then you just disconnect these bolts here. And just pull the deck right on out. And of course, putting the deck on is just as easy to take off. Let me show you how. Well, I hope you enjoyed this demonstration on how to take off and put back on the deck of the RYOBI Zero Turn Mower. I'd really appreciate it if you could like this video, write a comment, and please subscribe. Oh, and hit that bell while you're at it. And as always, have a great day.